Driving with dim, unreliable headlights can be frustrating and unsafe, especially during dark, foggy nights. If your current headlights aren't cutting it, an upgrade to LED headlights is the solution. They offer brighter, more efficient lighting that lasts longer than halogen bulbs, enhancing visibility and safety. With many LED options on the market, it can be tough to choose. In this video, we'll cover the top 6 LED headlights, showcasing long-lasting performance, easy installation, and versatility. Check the description for links to the best deals. These products are not ranked in any particular order, so stick around to find the perfect fit for your vehicle's needs. 6. Sylvania H11 LED Power Sport Bulbs. First on our list is the Sylvania H11 LED Power Sport Bulbs, and these are the go-to choice if you're someone who loves off-roading or needs something extra reliable for foggy conditions. If you've ever been caught in thick fog, you know how crucial it is to have dependable fog lights. The 6000K cool white light from these bulbs will cut through that fog like a knife, offering you superior brightness and clarity. These bulbs aren't just bright, they're designed specifically for off-road use, meaning they're durable and can handle rough terrains without breaking down. If you're an adventure enthusiast who frequently drives through rugged environments, you'll appreciate how tough these bulbs are. The bright, cool white light ensures that everything on the trail is illuminated, giving you better control and safety during your rides. One of the best things about the Sylvania H11 bulbs is how easy they are to install. If you're not someone who enjoys tinkering with your car, no worries. These bulbs are a simple plug-and-play solution. You can just pop them into your existing H11 sockets, and you're ready to go. No extra tools or complex steps are necessary. Plus, because they're LEDs, you won't need to replace them as often as traditional halogen bulbs, meaning less maintenance and more time enjoying your drive. However, a couple of things to keep in mind. Since these bulbs are primarily designed for off-road use, they might not be legal for everyday driving in certain areas. Their high brightness could be too intense for regular street driving and may cause glare if not properly aligned. Additionally, they may cost a bit more than other options, but their durability and performance make it a worthy investment if you're someone who regularly drives in tough conditions. 5. Moroto H4 two-stroke 4.0 LED bulbs. Next up, we have the Moroto H4 two-stroke 4.0 LED bulbs, which are, without a doubt, the most high-quality lights on our list. These headlights are incredibly bright, so bright in fact that once you try them, you'll probably wonder how you ever manage without them. Whether you're navigating a pitch-black road at night or driving through a heavy downpour, these bulbs will ensure you can see everything in front of you with crystal clarity. The clean, crisp beam they produce significantly improves your nighttime visibility, making it easier to spot road signs, obstacles, or even unexpected hazards. What makes these bulbs even more impressive is their advanced cooling technology. Unlike older bulbs that can overheat and burn out quickly, the Moroto H4 two-stroke 4.0 bulbs stay cool even after hours of continuous use. This cooling system not only keeps the bulbs from overheating, but also extends their lifespan, giving you more years of reliable performance without frequent replacements. Installation is also a breeze. These bulbs are designed for a simple plug-and-play fit into your car's existing sockets, meaning you won't need any special tools or technical knowledge to get them up and running. Just plug them in and you're good to go. With their weather-resistant build, these bulbs can handle all sorts of conditions, whether it's rain, snow, or fog. If you're someone who drives in a variety of weather, the Moroto H4 two-stroke 4.0 bulbs are an excellent choice to ensure safety and visibility on the road. 4. Lasfit H11 9005 LED bulbs. If you're looking for an LED headlight that it's easy to install and offers great performance, then the Lasfit H11 9005 LED bulbs are an ideal option. These headlights are perfect for boosting your nighttime visibility, and with their bright, clear light, they'll make driving in low-light conditions much safer. The best part? The plug-and-play setup means you won't need to hire a mechanic or break out the toolbox. Just pop these into your H8, H9, or HB3 sockets, and you're good to go. Plus, these bulbs have a non-polarity design, which means it doesn't matter which way you plug them in. They'll work either way, simplifying installation even further. These bulbs feature the latest 16 CSP chips, which make them up to 400% brighter than traditional halogen bulbs. Not only do they significantly improve visibility, but they also give your car a more modern look by eliminating that outdated yellowish tint from old halogen lights. With these bulbs, your headlights will produce a cool white light, making everything on the road clearer and easier to see. One standout feature of the Lasfit bulbs is their built-in cooling fan. This fan helps keep the bulbs cool even during long drives, ensuring they last much longer. These headlights are also designed to last up to 30,000 hours, meaning you won't have to worry about replacing them for a long time. This makes them a smart investment for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's lighting system without constantly swapping out bulbs. In summary, the Lasfit H119005 bulbs are an excellent choice if you want a reliable, long-lasting, and easy-to-install headlight that offers both brightness and durability. These bulbs are perfect for both high and low beams, providing a complete lighting upgrade for your car. Number 3. Oxido 11H8 H16 LED bulbs. Now let's talk about the Oxido H11H8 H16 LED bulbs, which are by far the most versatile bulbs on our list. These little powerhouses pack a punch with 6,000 lumens of bright, cool white light, making them 3 times brighter than traditional halogen bulbs. If you're looking for an LED headlight that improves your visibility and adds a stylish touch to your car, these are a great option. One of the best things about the Oxido bulbs is their simple installation process. Like many of the other options on this list, these bulbs feature a plug-and-play design, so no special tools or technical knowledge are required. Just plug them into your H11, H8, or H16 sockets, and you're ready to hit the road. What really makes these bulbs stand out is their fanless design. While other bulbs rely on a built-in fan for cooling, the Oxido bulbs use aviation-grade aluminum for fast and stable heat dissipation. This not only keeps the bulbs cool, but also ensures they last longer by minimizing the risk of overheating. The bulbs also offer 360 degrees full-angle illumination, ensuring there are no shadows or dark spots when you're driving. This is a huge plus when it comes to nighttime driving, as it significantly improves visibility in all directions. Whether you're driving through fog, rain, or snow, these headlights will help you see more clearly, making your drive safer and more comfortable. On top of that, these bulbs are IP65 waterproof and dustproof, meaning they can handle bad weather conditions without any issues. Whether it's a rainy night or a foggy morning, these bulbs will perform at their best. Number 2. Rim-Thin H11 LED bulbs. If you're looking for value, the Rim-Thin H11 LED bulbs are the best bang for your buck on this list. These headlights are perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, super bright light without breaking the bank. With 16,000 lumens of cool white light, these bulbs provide a bright and clear view on dark roads, making nighttime driving much safer. Like the others, these bulbs are incredibly easy to install with their plug-and-play setup. You can have them up and running in no time without needing any special tools. They fit directly into your car's existing sockets, making installation hassle-free. These bulbs are not only bright but also designed to last. With a durable build, you won't have to worry about replacing them frequently, which saves you time and money in the long run. Number 1. Farron 9006 HB4 LED bulbs. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Farron 9006 HB4 LED bulbs. These headlights are the best overall option if you're looking for brightness, durability, and ease of installation all in one package. These bulbs offer a stunning 22,000 lumens of light with a crisp 500K cool white glow, making them perfect for replacing those outdated halogen bulbs. Whether you're driving at night or in tough weather conditions, these bulbs will light up everything in front of you, providing a clear, bright view that helps you drive safely. Installation is, once again, a plug-and-play process. You don't need any special tools or expertise. Just pop them into your car's 9006 sockets, and you're ready to go. Plus, they're IP68 waterproof, meaning they can withstand rain, snow, and other harsh weather without failing. These bulbs are also built to last. With their advanced cooling system and high-quality materials, they'll give you years of reliable performance without frequent replacements. And there you have it. We've just gone over the top 6 best LED headlights available today. Each one offers something unique, whether it's long-lasting performance, superior brightness, or easy installation. Hopefully, this guide helps you find the perfect LED headlights for your car. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Thanks for watching.